Hi everyone, what's up? Cheers and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching me. Guys, today's video I am going to show you my affordable pastel makeup tutorial, and I'm also going to review ColourPop spring collection. And know that it's funny because right now it's June and we're not in spring anymore. We are nearly summer, and what happened is because I ordered this bundle right here by ColourPop 2 months ago. When I got it yesterday, I was like, is it still relevant? I mean, should they do a review about that? And then I asked you guys on my Instagram page if you want me to review this, and everyone was saying yes. So today I am going to review this eyeshadow palette. I'm not going to review all of them, but I'm going to review this one, and I'm going to try it on my face and to show you my pastel makeup tutorial kind of. Now, I just want to tell you that I got all of this bundle right here, which is like 3 eyeshadow palettes with different shades right here for $30. So that is pretty affordable because I think Huda Beauty is about $20 to $30 just for one. So I guess that all the 3 for $30, that is super affordable. ColourPop is a brand that actually known as a brand that launch a lot of affordable products, and they launch almost every day a new collection. And I really like the products, but to be honest, I've never tried any of these eyeshadow palettes. So today I am really excited to try them on, and I think that the pastel is still relevant. So for me, when I think about pastel, I instantly think about Lilac colors. So that's what I'm going to try today. I'm going to swatch, I'm going to try it on, and to show you a Lilac makeup tutorial. Let's go ahead and start. So like you see, I've done pretty much of the makeup. So what I'm going to do right now is just to jump into the eyeshadow palette. I'm really excited about these colors because they are just phenomenal. I really love this, and I honestly think that you can do so many looks with these shades right here. Like you can do it like a very summer makeup look kind of, or you can do it like a very dramatic glam makeup. I am feeling that I'm actually in a very summer mood, so I am going to go with the bright colors like this one right here. It's really calling my name. That is the shade. Oh wow, this one is called Ghosting. I'm just gonna go and swipe it on my hand. That is really pigmented. I'm really surprising, and it's also feel really nice. The texture just feel really nice, and there's so many colors like here that I'm excited to try. Also this one, which is the cloud. I'm just gonna go. Wow, that is so pretty. These colors right here can be just so beautiful. And they're also like the darker shade right here. So I'm just gonna go and swipe it. Look at this, like that is so beautiful. So what I need to do right now is just to go and do my eye makeup. Alrighty, so I am just gonna go with a base, which is this one. I think that I'm gonna go with this shade right here, that this one is called Ghosting. I'm just gonna go with a blending brush right here. I'm just taking off all the excess. Well, you guys, I didn't expect it at all. I just was like taking off all the excess from the brush, and what happened? The eyeshadow right here, it just fell off. I guess you just can put it on, but it's just not a good sign that the eyeshadow just fell off. That is really weird because I feel like the packaging is like really cheap, and it's not holding really strong the eyeshadow. I guess then I just need to be careful with this. So back to eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm just gonna go with the Ghosting shade and kind of just put it on my eyelid and use it as a base. So I definitely love the shade over here. It's just blending really nice on the eye. I don't have any fallout on the makeup, which is really good sign because that means the eyeshadow is really good quality. The next thing I'm going to do is just add a little bit of the darker purple in the outer corner. So I think that I'm gonna use this iffy shade right here, and I'm just gonna go with the shade just a little bit on my outer corner, just a very little bit to kind of define the eye because we don't want too much over here. top of it, I'm just gonna go with a blending brush and just kind of blend everything in so it just looks like one piece. Ooh, I love it. That looks so pretty. I love what's going on in my eyes right now. And right now it's time to pick up a little bit glitter and just to make it pop. So I'm gonna use this shade right here. This is called Fluff. So I'm just gonna go from my inner corner, just put it right here. Okay, so I definitely have a huge fallout on my makeup right now, maybe because the glitter is not really easy to pick it up on the brush and it's just going everywhere on my face. And I'm just gonna go with a paddle brush just like that and kind of take it away. I mean, the eyeshadow is overall fine. It is not the best that I've tried, but the shade is just so pretty that I'm in love with the shade. I'm in love with what's going on with my eyes right now. I really love it. The only bad thing to say about this is just the fallout. But the next thing I'm going to do is just actually to take with my fingertips, and I'm grabbing the shade Cloud over here, and I'm just gonna go and put it over the Fluff shade right here. The next thing that I'm going to do is to add a little bit of shade right here in the inner corner. I honestly not sure which shade I want, but I think I'm gonna go with the same one that I use just right now. That's called Cloud, and I'm just gonna go and grab it and put it on my inner corner. Ooh, this shade is just like so beautiful. I'm going to go with eyeliner. I'm going to use this Stila eyeliner right here. So I don't know, you guys, if you know the foxy eye trend, but I think that I've done a video about that like not a while ago. You can go and watch it right here. And it's definitely the trend that's changing the shape of your eyes and just make it look like much more foxy eye, kind of like Bella did. And that's what I did today, because it's literally just make my eye just look much more foxy, I guess. So you guys, I'm just gonna go and do my other eye, pop some eyelashes, and I will be right back. Alrighty guys, so that was my pastel makeup tutorial affordable edition. And I have to say that I love the look. I love the way it just came out. I definitely think that this bundle over here is just really worth it, because this one is $30 for all these eyeshadow palette, which means that for single one is about $10. So I think that is totally worth it, except the shipping. I don't know if they had a problem with the shipping because of what happened with the coronavirus, but damn, like I have been ordering like so many makeup products during the quarantine and during the pandemic there was, and I have to say that I took about 2 weeks, 3 weeks max to deliver the products, but this one it just took for about 2 months to deliver the products. So I really think that if you order it right now, it's definitely not gonna take that much time. I really recommend to go to, you know, Ulta or any store that actually selling ColourPop products, and then you actually can get this bundle for $30. I don't know if it's online exclusive, so you guys more than welcome to go and check me out. I'm gonna link it in my description. I definitely think that this palette right here, it is not the perfect palette because it has a little bit of technical problems. So I'm gonna talk about that. First of all, it happens when the eyeshadow actually fell out of the eyeshadow palette. It just fell off on the floor when I took off the excess from the brush, and that was like super weird. I was like, what? So that means that the packaging is not the best quality, is really cheap, so it wasn't a good sign. And also another one is actually that it has a lot of fallout. Like you see, I have a lot of fallout on the eyeshadow palette as well. And every time that I put the glitter, even on my other eye, I actually had a good furrow all over my face. I was like, oh my gosh, I just need to wipe everything off because it just looked really bad. So if you're looking for the best quality products, it is not the product, I'm 100% honest right here. But if you're looking for something affordable, you know, just very nice to do your pastel makeup, I definitely think that is the product. It just depends what are your preference. Guys, thank you so much for watching me another video, and I love each and one of you. If you're new to my channel, just make sure to subscribe my channel and press on the button right here so make sure not to miss any of my content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.